Sunil from Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. We're cleaning a residential fiberglass roof here today. I'm standing particularly on this angle so you can see how filthy it is. It is filthy. And it's unusual to have fiberglass used on a residential property. For some reason they did this. So this is the roof that we're going to be cleaning. The customers are preparing for sale, so it is an important kind of aspect of the house which needs to be presented up well. They had a quote to replace this roofing and it was about 3 to 4 times as expensive, more expensive than that was the cheapest they got. It was about 3 times more expensive than what I'm going to charge them. So this is the third application I'm now putting on this roof. Just doing the worst areas really. One of the reasons why you should consider soft washing is because it actually has the chemical has a mold inhibitor in it. So what happens then is that when you spray it, it actually kills the spores in the mold or the fungus or the organic growth. So you can see that here where it's starting to go brown, and eventually it goes white. In certain cases you can see that it's gone white, and that's basically the organism dead or in the process of dying. So from a long-term perspective, if you do have any kind of organic mold or growth, then it is worth getting this treated first with a soft wash, and then we'll show you how we work with pressure to then further remove this and improve the roof. So this is us working away on the top side of the roof. You can see how filthy it is compared to what we're getting. This is going to be an unbelievable transformation, so I can guarantee that much. I'll just show you how we do it. It's low pressure, it's not high pressure at all, and we're using hot water on this as well to get that extra quality of result. So you can see it's fairly slow work. We've still got to do all that section of roof over there. These are the finished results on the roof. Customer's very happy, and so are we. I'll show you the underside next. So these are the finished results. Absolutely wrapped with that. That's come up really well. I'll just show you through here. So huge amounts of light compared to what we had before. Right through here. Again, the whole space feels really spacious and light. So we're wrapped with that. Hope you are, and thanks for watching the video.